quick video before Pete leaves. You can see both of us in the mirror.
Mm-hmm.
So I decided to try the 4-loop arm with the shades. These originally came off an Emerson Casablanca Classic, so I suspect they're Emerson shades. And I suspect this is a Nutone light kit. I got to look at the Nutone catalog and see exactly what their loop arm fitters look like. But this came off of a Nutone, and I've seen these on Nutones before, so I suspect that this is what their loop arm fitters look like. They're different than their straight arm fitters. But yeah, I haven't fallen in love with it. You know, sometimes I just fall in love. I put a fan up and I just fall in love with it. Like I did with this exact fan in the upstairs hallway. Haven't fallen in love with it yet, but I think this nudges it a little more in that direction for me. This is medium high. You want to see it at any particular speed, Pete, for the sake of video?
Yeah, just have before previously, so.
Oh, okay. So that's.
Yeah, we don't need to.
Okay. Okay. Well, I just wanted to show you guys while Pete was still here. He's about. Did you load those fans in my car or?
No,
okay.
not yet.
Well, I'll come out there and we'll do that together then.
Yeah.
And productive day. 2 fans tested, 2 new fans installed, many videos made. And big thanks to Pete as always. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.